Hi, I'm Evan Klein. I'm with Exedy Clutch, and we are here at the 2019 SEMA show. One of our new products for this year is our twin organic clutch assembly for the 1996 to 2017 Ford Mustang GT applications, as well as other applications within the Mustang group. These start with a stamped steel cover assembly with an anti-burst ductile iron casting, twin organic face solid hub disc with our UF91 facing. And then we have our intermediate plate with lift springs. And then we have a one-piece forged chromoly flywheel. All of these components are direct fit. They require no modifications to be installed into the vehicle. And they will come in either a 6-bolt and 8-bolt crank, as well as a 10 spline, a 26 spline, and a 23 spline application. You can use your factory hydraulic system or factory lever setup, and everything will bolt right in. This will work great for supercharged applications that make upwards of 580 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. And the pedal feel will feel very stock, and the engagement will feel very stock. So it allows you to have a great street driving clutch, handling great power numbers, perfect drivability, to have fun as a daily driver as well as a weekend warrior. For more information, you can go to our website at exedyusa.com.